Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make a fake left to right camera movement using the keyframes in CapCut. So here, what you need to do is click on add the clip and then click on it. Find the basic options at the bottom. Click on scale and here adjust the scale. So I'm going to enlarge the clip like this. Okay, I'm going to go with 125%. Now click on the position steps and you need to reframe the clip by adjusting the X and Y axis. Okay, I'm going to make the object on the right like this. Now go to the beginning of the clip and add a keyframes at the start and go to the end, add another keyframe here, and now adjust the movement like this. So I'm going to make it to the left. Click on the check icon and you are done. So this is the fake camera movement. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.